and welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 29th to the 2nd of January 2026 on Monday. Tomega's disapproval of Likamba's new path cracks open a relationship never meant to be broken. Onga is pushed into an impossible position between love and loyalty. Tumega faces her worst fear in what she comes across on Tuesday. Likamva corners Tumega, demanding answers she can no longer avoid. Linda learns that you never trust a snake that has nothing to lose. Zolega decides to keep the truth from Kawe to preserve her happiness on Wednesday. The truth finally erupts, leaving the Mabandla shaken to the core. Zolega is forced to face a betrayal she never imagined. Luandle comes across a blood-chilling truth that could leave him in a big trouble on Thursday. A family dinner exposes long-buried pain, leaving relationship dangerously fractured. At Kusela, a discovery threatened to unravel everything in the chaos. The two people find comfort where they least expect it on Friday. A conversation goes too far, setting off consequences no one can reserve. Secrets at Kusela push one man into a corner. One reckless moment sends shockwave through multiple lives. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.